So,
Yes.
yeah. Oh, I have a fun question for you because this is something that I play sometimes with my friends, and it's called Would You Rather? And you get to choose between two options. So, can you hear me?
What you ask me? Can you? Sorry,
That's okay. That's
I
okay.
cannot hear properly.
It cut out, huh? Well, it's a game that I play sometimes called Would You Rather?
Some, what you rather? What it means? Rather means.
It means you have two options. So, for example, would you rather be really, 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 really tall or really, 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 really short? What would you rather?
Very, very tall.
You would choose very tall.
Yes.
Uh-huh. And then the next question was, would you rather have no children or would you rather have 10 children?
It's difficult question. Yes. Have childrens.
Yeah, 0 or 10. You can only choose 0 or
Yes.
you can only choose 10. 10.
0 is nothing.
Yeah.
I am nothing without childrens.
Yeah. I choose 10 too. But my husband would say 0. He said 10? Are you crazy? Like
Yes.
better than
But
0. Mm-hmm. Awesome. So tell me about what is like your goal for learning English? What do you
my
hope?
goal is, yes, speak very fluently.
Mm.
After my studies, before I got married, I want to do master's degrees in USA,
Oh,
United
really?
States. Yes. Then after my studies, I got married.
Mm.
Though, so it's not possible to go outside because I get pregnancy, then deliver. I take care of my baby, so that's why.
Mm. Yeah.
So it is the time some gain knowledge about English.
Yeah, absolutely.
Uh, I hope I have faith. One day I definitely go there. I mean USK.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm pre-planning, pre-studying English and teaching and gaining.
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
Yeah.
And also it is helpful to my baby, my childrens I teach, and also my church members and
Mm.
Sunday school childrens.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Oh, so you teach English to the children at your church?
yes.
Mm. Oh,
They
very
also
good.
feel very nervous to speak English.
Really? The
Yes,
children?
yes. I mean, they are 10 years or
Oh,
12
okay.
years,
Mm-hmm.
or some children are 8 years old.
Okay. So
Like,
they're older children. Wow. Older.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I saw you have a YouTube channel. It is
I
right.
do. Yeah. I do.
I saw. Okay.
Yeah.
You teach in Cambly?
Now, not on Cambly. No,
No,
no, no. I
no.
teach on italki and I teach for a company called Wales English.
What it is?
It's children mostly. Wales English. Italki is it's exactly like Cambly.
Okay,
Italki is it's kind of the same thing.
okay. It's great thing. Why you are choosing that
Italki.
italki?
Well, I actually applied for Cambly, so we'll see. They're kind of slow at the moment because it's the holidays, I guess, and the pandemic and stuff. But italki is it's pretty good. I haven't tried Cambly though, so I don't know the difference if one is better or not. I really don't know yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am so happy to talk with you, talking
Yeah.
with you, and also I gained some knowledge how to speak very well in English.
Yeah. Very good. Well, thank you so much.
You are going outside now, doing shopping like
Me.
that.
Well, right now I'm going to have lunch because it's 1:30, so I'm hungry. And I wish I could have
Yeah, it is.
some food of yours, but I have to settle for my own cooking, which is very bad.
What you prepared today?
Oh, well, I have. Oh, I know. Lentils. Do you know what those are?
Mentos,
Lentils, yeah.
Mentos,
Lentils. I will type it for you here. Lentils.
and no,
This is the word from Indian. I don't know if
dal,
it's the same language.
dal. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I understand now.
Okay. Lentils, yeah, lentils.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I made some yesterday in my crock pot. Do you know what a crock pot is?
What yesterday?
A crock pot?
Crock pot? What it
Yeah.
means?
This is so American. I will have to tell you about this because it's a very American thing. It's a slow cooker, but it's here, let me share it. I'll share my screen with you. Can you see that?
Okay.
So you would make like lentils in this and you plug it into the wall. This is very American. And you can cook
It is
chickens
like
and
cooker.
yeah, it's electric and it has like it plugs into the wall and then you just leave it.
Electric.
Electric, yeah.
It is electric. Electric. Okay, I
Yeah.
understand now.
It's called a crock pot.
Crock pots.
Have you
Okay.
seen that
Okay.
before?
And,
Hmm.
but I don't have. But I don't have.
No? No.
I don't have
Yeah. Well, you'll have to
crock pot.
send me some recipes of delicious food that you cook so I can make it. Do you make
So
samosas?
confirm you can come here in India. I definitely cook for you. I make for you food.
Yeah. The
Yes.
COVID-19, I will be there. I will go.
So yes, nothing is possible to
Oh,
go
nothing
outside.
is fast food. Good. Yeah. That's really
Yes.
good. That's good. Do you make samosas? I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Samosas?
You know samosa?
Samosas? No?
You
I'm sure it has a different name in different
know,
places. No? I'm going to
you
type
know
it in because
samosas?
I'm so embarrassed to speak. This is another one I really like. Sag paneer. Do you know that one?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like.
I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness.
Okay, okay. You can talk sometime.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Sassy. Bye bye.
Thank you
Have a
so
nice
much.
day. I'll see
Sino,
you.
Sino.
I'll see you later.
Have a nice day too.
Bye
See you
bye.
again.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.